People who come into our life teach us many things. So as many experiences shared, I'm sorry I was late, but still the experiences that I heard were really fascinating. So coming on the other side, there are mothers in our life who teach us everything, right? Possibly, like, just tell me one thing that your mom's taught you the best. Just cooking. Anything else? Pursue dreams. My mom taught me how to bargain. आज तक ना लाइफ में कितने बार भी शॉपिंग गया हूँ मैं, अभी तक कभी भी इतना साहस नहीं हुआ मुझे. एक्सक्यूज मी, डू यू गो टू शॉपिंग? आई एम एक्चुअली आस्किंग द रॉन्ग पर्सन. डू यू गो शॉपिंग? यस. अगर कोई आर्टिकल है, लेट्स से टी शर्ट 500 का है, मैक्सिमम कितना बार्गेन कर सकते हो आप?
450. Depends on the place. If it's charter, I can get it for 50.
50. Yeah, depends on the place. I agree. But what's the worst bargain that you do? मतलब आपसे मुंह से क्या बाहर आ सकता है? My mom tells, give me the T-shirt and you will give me 300. एक बार ना ऐसे हुआ था, एक एग्जीबिशन, नामपल्ली एग्जीबिशन, आई होप एवरीबडी नोज इट, राइट? प्रीटी फेमस एग्जीबिशन. वहाँ पर गए थे हम. सो माई यंगर सिस्टर, शी लिव्स इन लंडन, सो बेसिकली शी डोंट नो व्हाट्स बार्गेन. शी केम विथ अस and they went to an antique store where ornaments and everything, basically ladies stuff, which I am not capable to explain about. So उनके पास गए थे. He was telling 500 rupees है ये particular जो भी है garland है, जो भी है 500 है करके बोला था उन्होंने. I was like, चलो, my mummy's show will start now. I'm just gonna go away, and if someone asks me, then I'll just say I don't know her. Please, My sister was there and she was like, buddy, mummy, this is really good. I mean, Maasi ki beti actually. So it's really good. 500 is a good deal. She was like, just shut up. Even if it's a good deal, I'm not gonna act as if it is. Alright? हाँ भैया बोलो क्या है? तो 500 का है. 500 नहीं दूंगी मैं, 100 दूंगी. चलो, wind it up. बंदा एक्सेप्ट कर दिया 100 में देने के लिए. Then wait, who said that I'm gonna buy one ornament 200? You're gonna give me 2 for 100. एक दिन ना ऐसे ही, मतलब मे बी I basically travel a lot. I'm right now studying in US and these are my holidays. Rahul knows best that I go on travel, क्योंकि जब भी मैं उनसे ऑनलाइन मिलता हूँ ना, एक बार एक प्लेस बताता हूँ. He might be thinking ये फेंक रहा है बंदा करके. So एक दिन I went to Delhi and there is Sarojini Market, which is basically famous for its bargain. When he sees a guy over there, some random sales guy comes to you in a very seducing way, telling that, bhai, please ये AirPods ले लो. And he just tells that their Apple, it's for 500. You just say no, he would directly give you 200. He'll just offer you giving it 200. So I was like, चलो bargain का market है तो let's give it a shot. I was like, ठीक है, मम्मी के लिए कुछ खरीद लेंगे. तो ऐसे ही देख रहा था, वो बोला 100 रुपये. तो I was just all mathematics and statistics came into mind and it was like, मम्मी होती तो 50 में मांग लेती, शायद उसके साथ साथ उसके जायदाद का पेपर्स भी मांग लेती. But let's be a bit decent. I was tugged and good. So I was like, 100 का है तो just give me for 70. Please दे दो भाई. I mean, I can't bargain. I'm just trying it. He was like, chalo banda, he just got a bit daya on me and he just gave the article. I went on a round, came back. एक lady आई वहाँ पर, same shop, same article. She took it for 30. I was like, मैं पैदा ही क्यों हुआ उसमें? I was like, अगर मैं वो नहीं देखा, तो I would have been happy that my bargain was successful. I was actually calling my mom, telling that my first bargain was successful. Mummy was asking me what happened. I was not in a situation to share the story because there was a guy who got profit of it. बता नहीं यार, मतलब ladies में ये what's that spark that makes you guys get a better bargain? I don't know. एक बार intermediate hostel में bargain हुआ था मम्मी का. He was just telling them fees and my mom was like, नहीं ये fees नहीं होगा, इतना होगा, उतना होगा. Negotiation से हो गया था. पर life का perspective यही है कि whenever you get a thing in bargain, you don't get it in a better way, right? Example, as I said, I was in a hostel for my intermediate. वहाँ की इडलियाँ, वाह, उफ. कभी कभी लाइटर अगर नहीं हो ना तो इडलियाँ मार लेते थे हम लोग. इतने अच्छे थे इडलियाँ. So I was thinking, just because my mom bargained, that is the reason I'm getting those idli. I was seeing the other guy who didn't bargain and having the same idli. I was like, chalo, I'm happy. my fire in my stomach just got chilled. तो ऐसे ही हो रहा था, बहुत बार बार्गेन करने का ट्राई हो रहा था, नहीं हो रहा था and something. But I am really proud. I went to Delhi again. I again went to Sarojini Market. There was an article for 200 rupees which I bought for 70 rupees. और मैं सरोजनी नगर से बाहर गया. You know, I just came out of सरोजनी नगर. I was in a mood कि अगर कोई और आकर उसे 50 में मांग लेगा, my mood would be destroyed. But there is one thing that everybody have to accept. There is one very big negative point about bargaining. वो है, अगर आप कोई आर्टिकल है, अभी आप, you know, you are trying to buy it. He accepts to the bargain that you offer in the first second. Your ego hurts in a very bad way. I just went to Mysore recently, and you know, fridge magnets. So I and my friend, she was also with me. Like we, a group of friends just went to Mysore for having fun. क्या fun हुआ बता नहीं रेंज के वजह से, पर हाँ. So yeah, we went there, and we were interested to find the fridge magnet. And she was like, I also want one. चलो then I'll try bargaining again. I was like, कितना है? She was like 100 rupees एक है. नहीं 150 देंगे, 2 दे दो मुझे. She was like, okay. यार shit. Why? You should have tried नहीं भाई नहीं दूंगी मैं, and then you should have accepted. If you would have accepted directly on one thing, it was really very, you know, disappointing. घर आया, मम्मी को ये स्टोरी बताया, मम्मी ने एक झापड़ दिया. इतना भी सेंस नहीं है कि 100 रुपीस आइटम यूर आस्किंग फॉर 75, यू शुड हैव आस्क्ड 80 में 2 दे दो. थैंक यू, दैट्स माय टाइम.